Hey DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a lineup of 10 amazing tools that are truly at another level. Whether you're a professional or a weekend warrior, these tools will revolutionize the way you work. So let's dive right in.
Number 1. The Universal Integrated Rubber Nozzle Toolkit is a versatile solution for all your caulking needs. This set includes various sizes of caulking nozzles and connection bases, designed to cut sealing time in half with efficient and precise finishing. The fine processing nozzles are available in different sizes, compatible with glass glue, sealant, ceramic tile glue, structural glue, and various silicone grouting equipment, ensuring perfect filling for different spacing angles. Made of high-quality stainless steel, the caulking nozzles are wear-resistant, non-stick, non-drip, durable, and reusable. The 45-degree mouth shape allows access to all kinds of gaps, and the independent protective cover prevents blocking and waste. Easy to install with adhesive tape, this tool is perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, water tanks, doors, windows, frame seals, and outdoor wooden houses. The Universal Integrated Rubber Nozzle Toolkit makes your repair work easier and more efficient. Number 2. The Crescent CMT1000 Odd Job Multitool is your all-in-one solution for various tasks. It features a steel hammer with enough heft to drive in small nails, tacks, and dowels, while its nail puller easily removes old nails. The soft-faced mallet allows you to tap without marring or breaking surfaces. The fine-toothed reversible ratcheting bit driver tightens and loosens screws quickly and easily, and the flexible driver shaft bends to reach tight corners. With 6 bits stored in the handle, you're ready for any job. The tool also includes a magnetically retained and removable utility knife, perfect for opening and breaking down boxes with ease. Durable and versatile, the Crescent CMT1000 is designed to make your work faster and more efficient.
Number 3. The 7-in-1 Multifunction Metal Tool Pen is an all-in-one solution for everyday tasks. This heavy-duty pen features a tablet or smartphone stylus, a ballpoint pen, a bubble level, a universal inch and centimeter ruler, a phone holder, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and an opener. Expertly designed, this ergonomic tool pen is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and makes a unique gift for those who love home improvement or need versatile pocket tools. Its robust design ensures reliability during weekend projects. Each pack includes 2 multifunction pens and 5 extra black ink refills, providing long-lasting use. Compact and versatile, this multi-tool pen is your go-to companion for any project. Number 4. The 52-in-1 Socket Wrench is a stainless steel, professional multifunctional tool designed to tackle a variety of tasks with ease. Featuring a 360-degree revolving spanner and rotating multi-head, this universal wrench is compatible with multi-tooth bolts, hexagonal, 12-point, Torx, square damaged bolts, and any size standard or metric from 8 mm to 13 mm, half an inch. Clear etchings show the appropriate sizes for quick identification. Its compact and lightweight design makes it portable, eliminating the need to carry multiple wrenches of different sizes. The soft, non-slip silicone handle ensures a comfortable grip, perfect for extended use. Thick and heavy-duty, this versatile wrench is ideal for handling all your projects around the home, business, or work, making it a must-have tool for any toolkit.
Number 5. The 24-inch heavy-duty magnetic tool holder is engineered for ultimate strength, boasting an extremely powerful magnetic pull force that securely holds any set of tools, from the largest hammers to the smallest screwdrivers, without slipping or shifting. This professional, space-saving magnetic toolbar keeps your tools firmly in place, ensuring a wobble-free experience. Perfect for organizing hammers, pliers, wrenches, wire cutters, tape measures, axes, and more. It provides worry-free storage for tools of all sizes and weights. Transform your workshop or toolbox with HMagnets magnetic tool holder, designed to declutter and streamline your workspace. This versatile tool organizer is ideal for garages, basements, offices, workshops, studios, kitchens, sewing tables, and sheds, making all your tools visible and easily accessible. Installation is a breeze with the included upgraded screws and anchors. Whether mounting on a concrete, brick, or wooden wall, or onto a peg wall, slat wall, or slat board, the magnetic tool holder is simple to install and ready to use. Number 6. The Sunsun Magnetic Screwdriver Set 66-piece is crafted from S2 alloy tool steel, offering exceptional durability and precision. This comprehensive set includes slotted, Phillips, and Torx mini precision screwdrivers, along with replaceable bits, all housed in a sturdy toolbox. The ergonomic design features a triangle stereo handle to prevent rolling, magnetic properties for easy screw handling, and a hang hole for convenient storage. The handle conforms to human body mechanics, ensuring comfort during extended use. This multi-purpose set includes 5 Phillips screwdrivers, 5 slotted screwdrivers, 4 Torx screwdrivers, 9 precision screwdrivers, a 40-in-1 screwdriver, a magnetize and demagnetize tool, and 40 bits, providing a versatile range of tools for any task. Packaged in a durable plastic toolbox, the set ensures easy storage and portability. Ideal for both mechanics and DIY enthusiasts, this set meets the needs of home appliance maintenance, furniture assembly, automobile repair, and more. Number 7. The Earthwise Gator Grabber Telescoping Leaf Cleanup Tool by ALM is a versatile yard grabber designed for optimal comfort and efficiency. Its telescoping handles allow you to adjust to your most comfortable length, making yard cleanup easier on your back and arms. The grabber is constructed with powder-coated steel shafts for durability and longevity. Its heavy-duty polyfiber jaws with teeth securely hold leaves and other yard debris, ensuring nothing slips through. This low-maintenance waste grabber is easy to use, requiring minimal effort to collect debris. It is simple to assemble, disassemble, and store, making it a convenient addition to your garden tools. Whether you're cleaning up leaves, grass clippings, or other yard waste, the Earthwise Gator Grabber makes the task quick and hassle-free. Number 8. The aluminum Imperial Circle Center Positioning Tool is a versatile and high-precision measuring ruler designed for a range of applications. This arrow-shaped tool features an imperial scale, with the smallest increment at 1/16 inch and the longest scale extending to 4 1/8 inch. The ruler's body is thickened for durability and can be used to mark lines, measure 45 and 90-degree angles, and position center lines with accuracy. Measuring 5.9 inches in total length and 3.54 inches in width, it combines functionality with a sleek, portable design. Precision machined by CNC, this tool offers high-precision scales and serves as both a woodworking measuring tool and a square ruler. It is ideal for DIY enthusiasts, engineers, carpenters, and decorators, and is essential for various tasks including measuring lengths, angles, and marking centers on round materials, three-dimensional workpieces, and square wood. Number 9. The Wallen Weed Grass Cutter is an efficient manual tool designed for cutting overgrown weeds and grass in various settings, including gardens, yards, fields, and ditches. Featuring a 14-inch serrated double-edged steel blade, it is sharp enough to handle tall growth and uneven areas where a mower cannot reach. The blade serration enhances cutting efficiency, allowing it to work effectively in both forward and backward motions. The cutter has a 30-inch steel handle that reduces the need to bend over, making garden work more comfortable. The handle is durable and lightweight at just 3 pounds, minimizing arm pressure and making it easy for users of all ages to handle. The soft rubber grip adds to the comfort, allowing for extended use without fatigue. Assembly is straightforward with the included instructions and tools, and the handle can be quickly installed by tightening the locking screw. For use, simply hold the handle like a golf club and swing it back and forth. The angled handle design makes it easier to cut sod, weeds, tall grass, and bushes efficiently. Number 10. The Tile Cutter Hand Tool is designed for precise cutting of floor tiles, glass tiles, porcelain tiles, and wall tiles, offering a faster and cleaner alternative to wet tile saws. This tool efficiently handles straight lines and quarter circle curves, making it ideal for semicircles, inside corner cutouts, and areas around outlets, doorways, and toilets. The cutter is available in several kits. Kit 1 includes a tile hack saw blade for wall tiles and a 4.5-inch grinder diamond tile blade for porcelain and floor tiles. Kit 2 features tile drill bits for ceramic and diamond drill bits for porcelain and glass, perfect for creating holes for grab bars, shower doors, and towel rails. Kit 3 provides a diamond tile hole saw and guide for installing shower heads or faucets. Unlike wet saws, which can be messy and may chip tile edges, this hand tool eliminates the need for water and avoids the hassle of wet saws. It ensures clean cuts without the inconvenience of running in and out of the house with each tile. The cutter's design is modern and efficient, not requiring the old-fashioned approach of oiling the wheel or applying excessive pressure.